Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the angle bisectors. And what I need you to do, we've gotten a straight edge and something that draws a little darker here, so hopefully this shows up better on camera. I want you to draw a big scalene triangle. A big scalene triangle. Alright, oh yeah, those lines show up way better.
Yep.
Okay, and then fill in the corners. Okay, so now in this one we're going to fold over to create the angle bisectors. Now, what do you think angle bisectors are?
Maybe they cut the angle in half?
They cut the angle in half, okay? And how are we going to do that? How are we going to find the angle bisectors?
Well, for the perpendicular bisectors, we folded over the corners in half, maybe
So you
fold
get sides.
sides in half. Maybe?
So what do you mean before we jump into it? Because once we make a crease, we can't uncrease.
So I think that folding this side to this side
It's going to do what?
cut the angle in half.
Okay, why do you think that's going to cut the angle in half?
Well, because you need half the angle, and these two sides make the angle.
Okay.
So folding them onto each other should cut it in half.
All right, what do you think? Do you think that's going to cut the angle in half?
Yeah.
All right. All right, go ahead. See if that's easy. And actually, we might have a secondary benefit of our lines being darker, that it's actually easier to see when they're on top of each other here.
Looks on top.
Which would be, not only do they show it better on camera, they show it's a little easier to fold.
Yeah, it looks like it cuts it in half.
All right, move your hands to the shadows out of the way. Does that look like that got cut in half?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good. Now make the other ones. All right, which one are you cutting in half
So
now?
this angle here.
All right, that angle there. Okay.
There. Looks. It cuts it in half.
Okay. And then we got to do the third one.
Here's the third one.
I'll hold your paper so you could get your head not blocking the camera.
Maybe like that.
All right. So how can you tell if that's right?
There's only one line.
Okay. Cool. All right.
Crease.
All right. And what did we find here?
Oh yeah, there's another, wait, hold on.
What?
It seems like we might have created some perpendicular bisectors.
Oh, interesting.
I might have made it a little too close to isosceles.
Well, so it's a good question. Are these perpendicular or not?
Well, this one definitely doesn't look perpendicular. Because, yeah, this angle looks less than, on this side, this angle looks less than 90.
Okay. So if this was a perpendicular bisector, it passes through this point. So what would be true about this point?
It's the same distance away from these two.
Okay. Right? That's what we learned last time.
But
Is it? Is that the same distance?
Well, no,
away?
because this is a scalene triangle.
Well, yeah, and we can even measure it. We could even measure it with our stamp cubes that are there. So that distance from those two vertices goes to there.
Yeah, about 5 snap cubes.
Okay. And this distance to that vertex is how many?
About 6 and a half.
Okay. So there you go. So this, even though it looks like it could be perpendicular,
But it's not.
it's not.
Should I put this in?
Yeah, put that dot in.
That's the intersection of the angle bisectors.
Yeah, that's the intersection of the angle bisectors. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the corner of a new piece of patty paper on here. Oh, actually, sorry, the instructions are slightly different. Line the patty paper up on the side of one of the triangles. Actually, you know what? Let's do this for the next video.
Alright.